What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am Moto AK47. Today I will be unboxing the new Hero 7 Black. Also comes in silver and white. If you haven't seen my previous video about the GoPro 7, make sure you go check that out. Just reviewing the essentials of the GoPro 7 of what you need to get started. And real quick, here is the dual battery charger that comes with an extra battery. Your Hero 7 Black comes with one in the package, but when you buy your dual charger, you'll get one extra one, so you'll have two. And that's a very essential thing, especially if you're going to be vlogging all day long with your GoPro 7. You'll want to have that dual charger and two batteries. Another essential is your mic adapter, which all GoPro 7 Hero users pretty much dislike because of its bulkiness. Just a bit of an issue of always thinking where to put this thing when you're connecting a mic, and if you want to talk in your videos while you're using your GoPro 7, it's just a little bit of a hassle. And obviously you do want your microphone as well. Something else that you'd want is a tripod if you're going to be shooting anything still or video and you're going to be talking or anything like that, like I am right now. You want a tripod as well. So let's get started with this unboxing. Alright, so new Hero 7 Black. Comes in white, silver as well. For this, Hero 7 Black does have the Hyper Smooth, which is new. Also has HDR and live streaming, which is also new and only on the Hero 7 Black, along with Time Warp. It is a waterproof camera up to 33 feet. Here's a couple things that come in the package itself. You got your USB, couple common connectors here. Got your battery that I talked about, your GoPro obviously, and housing, which is already on the camera in the box already. If you have a Hero 5 or Hero 6, all of those accessories should be compatible with the Hero 7 Black, and most of the things that you buy will probably have a Hero 7 Black compatible sticker on them. If they don't, ask who's ever working wherever you're going if it is compatible. I bought this camera on sale at Target for $340. The original price, which is what it is now, is $400. I basically just waited until this camera was on sale because I'm just updating my camera, my vlogging camera, and I'll mainly be using this on my motorcycle helmet for my moto vlogs, or I'll be having it on my dash in my Corvette, vlogging from there. So let's get open this box. So there is a blue tab that you rip open. I've already ripped open mine. Comes straight out in one piece. And you don't really want to tear your box up, just because if you need to put it back in the box and take it back to whatever store, if something's wrong with the camera, you want to have it nice and neat and back in the box, so they'll take you basically more seriously and take the camera back and hopefully give you a brand new one. You don't have to pay anything for it. Alright, so here's how it comes. Already has the open casing around the camera. Opens from the side like this. In here, got your standard mounts, got your USB, Got your extra battery. And your camera. Alright, so taking this off, as you flip this, I don't know if you can see that, this gray tab up, then you press in the tabs and it pulls off. And this is one of your mounting tabs, but this comes on the box, so you don't need that because it comes with one. And on my last video I showed you guys I bought more off Amazon, and I'll put that link in the description below again. But basically you buy a whole bunch of accessories on Amazon and they come in something like this. You open it and have a bunch of accessories inside of it. I actually bought 2 of these just so I can have extras, and they're all right there. So you got extra mounting hardware, straps, long screws and short. I'll be using the short for my motorcycle helmet right there. Alright, so first thing, take this tab up. Now, you're going to feel like you're going to break it, but you're not. Fold that up, fold that down, basically just push the camera through the back. Comes out, and here's your outer shell. Selling point for this camera is the Hyper Smooth. Basically, they want to advertise this as the Hyper Smooth as like gimbal-like, meaning you don't have to put your camera in a gimbal for your video to be nice and smooth, because of the Hyper Smooth that's in here. For me, I'll be testing this out when I'm riding my motorcycle for those Ohio potholes that we all love to death. And some of them that go all the way across the freaking lane, so you can't even dodge them. But I'll have Hyper Smooth on for that, just to test that out. Yeah, so let's get started powering this thing on. Alright, so you press this button and slide it to the right. Your battery door pops open. Your battery goes in just like this, so your GoPro is upside down. Battery goes in just like this. Kind of snaps in a little bit, so that tab to pull your battery out is up. So just fold that down a little bit, close your battery door, and slide it to the left. Alright, so you got to peel something off the camera as well. So it's just an outer little cover. Peel that off. Has a little cute turtle on it. Yeah. But let's power this thing on. It should have battery. Makes a beep sound. Powers right up. We want English. Has its little legal stuff. GPS on. Wants me to install the GoPro app. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. I've already installed the app, but if you have a smartphone, iPhone, Android, whatever, and you get apps, or you can get apps, install the GoPro app. So how do you get your SD card in here? It actually goes in through the battery. So it goes in right there, the lettering facing up towards the screen of the camera, and you kind of got to use your nail to get it all the way down in there so that it clicks. Like that. Close your door again and slide it to the right. So, going further with the video, the middle button right here is for your video settings. It's all in one screen now. So in other GoPro cameras this was different. They were all over the place, but now they're all in one screen right here. Something that you want to turn on is your Pro Tune. You want to turn that on. This basically just gives you more settings to go through and pick which ones you want. Back is the arrow. To change modes now, you can either swipe to the left for time lapse, back to the middle for video, or swipe to the right for photo mode. Gonna go back to video mode. You can swipe down. There's more settings if you swipe down for voice control, the beeps, lock, and then the little bunny, preferences, etc. and stuff like that. So to record media, or to see your recorded media for things and videos that you've taken already, all you do is swipe up. I haven't recorded any videos yet on this, so it's not showing any media, so it says no media, but this is where you can play back and watch some of the videos that you have taken. And you swipe back down to get out of that. And here, right here, here's another short clips. It said it shoots a quick 15 or 30-second video. And here are your options right here. You can either shoot a 30-second video or a 15-second video. What that will do is just for you to capture quick and short videos. So some people don't like editing fully long, like maybe 15 to 20-minute videos, so they like more of shooting like the quick capture 30-second or 15-second videos, and that helps them better with their editing. So they don't have to go through a bunch of sitting there watching and then editing other pieces like that. So yeah guys, this is the GoPro 7 Black. Has its front display showing you the battery, how much time you got left when you're recording, which is big thumbs up to GoPro for that one. Thumbs down on that mic adapter, but everything else camera wise and the camera itself pretty good. So next video I'll be posting is of me mounting this to one of my motorcycle helmets, which I'll be using in my moto vlogs. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, Moto AK47. Follow me on YouTube, Moto AK47. Check out the channel, guys. I got a lot more content coming this summer, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.